Do you use super steady in video mode but get annoyed when it turns off every time you close the camera? Let's fix that. To do so, open camera app, tap the quick control icon, then tap the settings icon, scroll down the screen, tap settings to keep, and then enable super steady. To see how it works, go back to your camera, switch to video mode, turn on super steady, and record a video. Close the camera, and then reopen the camera again in video mode. As you can see, super steady stays on even after you close and reopen the camera. This is perfect if you often record while walking, running, or in any situation where your hands are shaky. Keeping super steady always on ensures your video stays smooth without extra steps. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.